All right, Nothing Phone 2. Big news this morning. Just woke up and see that there is a system update available. It appears that Nothing is subscribed to my channel and is watching my channel, because in some of these bug fixes described a lot of things that I disliked or had issues with my phone. Check this out. We got Glyph Composer, progress for the Uber widgets. Let's see. Camera update. Portrait mode now supports 2x zoom. Motion capture 2.0 is now supported in 50 megapixel mode. Introduced brand new Nothing style photo watermark. Optimize the HDR effectiveness across the board. Optimize photo clarity when shooting between 4x 10x. Improve camera quality when using third-party apps. Reduced lag. Optimize stabilization algorithm when shooting videos. Improve battery and temperature conditions. Improve the consistency of wireless charging. Face unlock. Bug fixes. Now, did they resolve the audio issue I experienced? I saw it somewhere, that audio issue on videos I was having that would play the volume very, very low. Let's see. We'll listen closely to the feedback of the community. I'm going to make sure that the voices are heard. Yeah, I guarantee. Well, I'm not guaranteeing you they subscribe to our channel, but here it is. Check this out. Hot fix. Solved a rare issue causing volume levels to be lower than intended in between apps. Now, mine was when I recorded a video, the playback was very, very, very low. If you want to see that issue, I caught it live on camera. Go back a day or two and check that video out. I think hopefully that'll fix it. And then the camera, I have not been getting really good quality photos on this device. In fact, the photo quality sucks. I am going to update this right now, do a bunch of testing. They've got a bunch of camera updates. So we will see if this fixes any camera issues and or quality and or video issues I was having with this device. It looks like there's a number of bug fixes here. Now, it is a small update, but that's fine. It's when you do a lot of bug fixes, it's just writing new code and stuff like that. So I'm going to test this out. I'm going to update it right now. Test this out, and we will be posting content, and stay tuned, subscribe to see if this fixes any of the issues, because right now, as is, I cannot recommend this phone to purchase. But we will update it. It could change. I could change my opinion, right? If they fix all the issues, sure, I'll recommend it. No problem at all. It's actually a really, really, really cool phone. I like it. Love the design. It's lightweight. It looks cool. It feels good in the hand. It's just my issue is the camera sucked. Wow, that was quick. So, but that can be, now, that's a really, really good sensor on the back. Sony IMX890 is a good sensor. I don't know why it underperforms, but good news is that the sensor on this device has performed very well on other devices. So it can be improved. They just need to tweak the software and tweak the camera, and it should be improved. So we will definitely test this out and see if this fixed any of the issues, problems. So I will be testing all day today, and I'll post some stuff. And what else? Oh, I'm going to do another AMA, another live stream Q&A. I know a few of our subscribers missed that one. I'll try and post it a day before to let y'all know that you'll be notified that when the AMA or Q&A is live. When I plan to go live. So you can tune into the live stream and basically ask me whatever questions you have on this device. I'll go ahead and answer. So tons of stuff. got a lot of testing to do, so I'm going to start testing. Stay tuned, and we'll see if this update fixed any of the camera issues. Peace.